You open your laptop with 15 browser tabs, 3 chat windows, and a to-do list that somehow grew while you were asleep. You stare at it all and think, where do I even start? That feeling of being stuck before you begin is the real productivity killer. And here's the thing most AI productivity advice gets wrong. IT tells you to use AI to do your work faster, but the real secret? Use AI to decide what to do in the first place. Here's the framework I use every single day, and it takes exactly 60 seconds. I call it the reverse outline. Instead of asking AI to write something for you, you dump your messy brain into a chat, everything you're juggling, every half-baked idea, every deadline that's stressing you out. Then you say, organize this into a ranked priority list with the first action step for each item. That's IT.no fancy prompt engineering, just your raw thoughts, structured in seconds. Let me show you how this plays out in 3 real scenarios. First, the morning overwhelm. You have a report due, an email chain that exploded overnight, a meeting in 2 hours, and you haven't even reviewed the slides. Instead of picking one at random and hoping for the best, paste it all in and say, rank these by impact and urgency, then give me the exact next action for each. Suddenly the report isn't write the whole thing. It's open the outline from last week and update section 3. The meeting isn't prepare. It's read the agenda document for 5 minutes. Each task shrinks from a mountain into a single step you can actually take. Second, the creative block. You're staring at a blank page trying to brainstorm names for a new project or a tagline or a content angle. The worst thing you can do is keep staring. Instead, throw in whatever random words and constraints you have. Say, I'm naming a productivity tool for busy parents. IT needs to sound warm, not corporate. Under 5 letters, generate 50 options. You will not use 50. But within 10 seconds. You'll see a pattern, a syllable, a vibe that clicks, and suddenly your own brain unlocks and starts building on what the AI threw out. Third, the decision trap. Should I use tool A or tool B? Should I launch this feature or that one? Should I say yes to this opportunity? These questions can eat hours of mental energy because you keep going in circles. Paste both options in, list your actual constraints, and say, give me a decision matrix with trade-offs and a recommendation. You do not have to follow the recommendation, but seeing it laid out objectively breaks the loop. You either agree with the logic or you realize why you disagree, and either way you have your answer. The pattern across all 3 is the same. You are not outsourcing the thinking, you are outsourcing the structuring. Your brain is incredible at having ideas and terrible at organizing them in a straight line. AI is the opposite. IT has no original ideas, but it can arrange your mess into something you can actually work with. So next time you feel that freeze, don't ask AI to do your job, just ask it to sort your chaos.